Imagine a shape that defies the very laws of our physical world, a shape so strange that it caused 17th century philosophers to question the nature of God and infinity. This is Gabriel's horn. At first glance, it looks like a simple trumpet, but mathematically, it's a nightmare. It possesses a finite volume, but an infinite surface area. Today we're going to step inside the math that breaks reality. To understand the paradox, we first have to build it. We take the curve of 1/2 and spin it around the x-axis. As we move further right, the horn gets thinner and thinner. It stretches forever towards the horizon. Normally, if something goes on forever, you'd expect it to be, well, infinite in every way. But Gabriel's horn is a rebel. Using calculus, we can prove that the volume, the space inside, is exactly pi. It's limited. It's finished. But the surface area, that calculation results in infinity. Here is where your brain starts to itch. This is called the painter's paradox. Because the volume is finite, pi, you could theoretically take a bucket of paint and fill the horn to the brim. It would take a specific, limited amount of liquid. But to paint the outside of that same horn, you would need an infinite supply of paint. Think about that. The paint inside the horn is touching the entire inner surface. Since the wall of the horn has no thickness, if you fill the inside, haven't you technically covered the surface? In the world of math, the answer is yes. In the world of physics, things get messy. Why can't we build this in real life? Because the universe has a minimum size. As the horn stretches, it eventually becomes thinner than an atom, then thinner than a subatomic particle.
In pure mathematics, space is infinitely divisible. In reality, you'd run out of thinness long before you reach infinity. This shape exists in a perfect dimension where logic overrides physical limits. Gabriel's horn reminds us that infinity isn't just a very large number. It's a different category of existence. It's a bridge between the numbers we can count, the mysteries we can only imagine. A shape you can feel but never cover. Next time you look at a temper, just be glad it follows the rules of physics. Thanks for watching.